US indices traded bearish and traded with little swings yesterday and today again. We have seen a mixed day so far. The S&P, Nasdaq and Dow traded mixed here. We can see the Dow Jones traded with moderate bearishness while the Nasdaq and S&P stayed flat with moderate bullish. Important day today. The world is waiting for the inflation data, which will be a preset to the next Fed meeting, and this data is very crucial as it is going to give us a clue that what to expect, how much rate cut, and what is going to be the rate of rate cuts in the future as well. So definitely it is going to bring lot much of volatility. How to profit trading the S&P, Nasdaq and Dow with that, where to enter, where to exit, everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day for indices. Thus subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first and look into S&P followed with Nasdaq, India and Dow. Watch the when you see the S&P on the hourly charts, look at the formation: drop, retracement towards 2050, drop, retracement towards 20 period. And yes, it is struggling at around this zone. Even if it tries to rise, I think 6060 zone, zone is going to be the most critical one for the day. And only if it trades above 6060 you can say we can look forward to a little bullish momentum, which can take it towards 6085 or higher levels. Yes, a supportive data can take it to the moon, but I can see a bit of a struggle here, definitely on the upside, at least as long as 6060 zone is not taken. Now what's happening on the hourly chart so far, you can find out it is struggling in a zone. It is trading in a very narrow zone here. Any move beyond 6050 and any move below 6035, this is the no trade zone for us. For these 15 points we have to be cautious, because see, after retracing or consolidation it can take a sharper dip from here, and this is going to be a bigger one as well. So just watch out how it behaves. And definitely below 603530 we can look forward to a greater correction. Stochastic at top, MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with moderate bullishness. Looking at the MACD on the hourly charts, it appears there is little room on the upside, and we can see a little up move here. Possibilities there. RSI comfortable here. Coming to 2 hour chart, on the 2 hour chart, this crossover is very important. And see what is happening here. Look at the formation: drop, retracement, drop, and this, if it could if it starts to retrace, how high, I look forward to this zone here towards 6080. Possibility is there that it can move towards this zone here. And thus if you see it is staying above 604850, you can initiate a buying entry. Stochastic rising, MACD at bottom trying to cross over here, good sign for the bulls. RSI flat at bottom, and on the 3 hour, similar observation here. But remember, on the 3 hour charts also, drop, retracement, and now if it trades below 603530, we can look forward to a greater corrections towards 602018 and then towards 6000 levels. The crossover here is very important. This is a bearish cross. It is very important for S&P to trade above 6095 6085 levels, else it is still not bullish. We can see it reversing again, hitting the highs. We can also expect a reversal. And now on the upside, 6060 6070 and 6085 are the levels which you should be watchful of. The stochastic rising, MACD is trading bearish, trying to converge. RSI is flat. On the 4 hour charts, when you see, look at the 4 hour charts, slightly higher lows and higher highs are there. Wait for it to break out, and once it stays beyond 6050, we can look forward to a greater rise here. But ideally I will wait for this zone to be taken, then only we can confirm that the bulls are back here in S&P, else a reversal cannot be denied. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI is flat at bottom. Coming to daily. Now see, look at daily charts. What has happened? I've shared several times earlier, rise, retracement, and then this is a retracement. This is bit gradual compared to the drop here. And what has happened after hitting the highest prices is starting to reverse. Now see, yesterday's candle was a swing candle, and it suggests that as long as now 6070 is not taken today, again we can expect a further correction here on the downside. So even if it hits 607072, prices can reverse here on the downside, can move towards 6020 or 6000 levels here. Yes, trading with little divergence from the 20 period, we can see it moving towards 20 period or below levels. Stochastic has dropped. MACD, interestingly, MACD has crossed over and it is trading with divergence. This is certainly a sign of bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. So looking at this, you can buy at 6046 levels, expect 6050, 6055, 6060. and then 607072. If and only if S&P trades above 607072, you can say that the bulls are back in action, and then we can wait for 6085, 6095 levels, chances of which appears to be less here. On the downside, now I will recommend a selling entry at 6035 and expect 6030 as the first and 6020 as the next. Now 6020, 6018 is very, very good support. If it drops below this, you can stay short for 6000, the next target. 6000, 6002 should be a very good support, below which you are looking forward to a greater correction towards 5980, 5950 very, very, very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. Charts for S&P and Tech 100 are almost identically same here. Look at the formation here: drop, consolidation, retracement, then the drop, lower lows, and now retracement here. Now see these two tails and the support here. Look at the channel here. This is how it has been trading. Where are the highs of this channel? Towards 21,500, 550 zone. And now it is very, very important for the Tech 100 to trade above 21,420, 440 zone. If this zone is taken, that is 21,420, 440, you can look forward to 21,480, 500. And if 21,500 is taken, we can look forward to 21,540, 550, beyond which it should be treated for a reversal. Else, right now you can clearly see Tech 100 is trading bearish here, and it is finding a good resistance here in this zone between 21,420, 440. Likewise, on the downside, do not miss this, that 21,360, 400 zone is a very, very good support below this 300, 320 levels. And if that is taken, we are looking forward to a greater correction on the downside. Stochastic at top trying to drop, MACD as bottom trying to bounce back, RSI comfortable, so mixed indication here on the hourly charts. On the 2-hour charts, the moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. Price is retracing towards moving average, trying to reverse. So now I will recommend a selling entry at 21,360 only, where you can expect 21,300, 320 as the first target and 21,240, 200 as the next targets. Stochastic at top, MACD hitting the lows. It is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can confirm a reversal. Right now it is not yet crossed over. RSI comfortable at bottom. On the 3-hour charts, look at the formation here: increasing body size, higher highs. Now it is important, if you see it trading below 21,360, anyways it is not going to come back, while on the upside 21,420, 440 is very important. Else we are looking at 480, 500. Now again, what I am looking at is drop, retracement, drop, retracement. And as long as now 21,600 is not taken, Tech 100 is trading in this bearish channel, where hitting the highs, prices can reverse again. The data can bring the bulls, and the US session can erase all the gains. Be mindful of this. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish, RSI flat. On the 4-hour, the observation is more or less same here. The follow-up candle, see green, retracement green, and the next candle is very, very important, where if you see it staying above 420, 440, you can look forward to the next move towards 480, 500. Yes, the stochastic rising here, the MACD is bearish and the RSI is flat. Coming to the daily. Now, before we look into the daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, look at the daily chart. See, first of all, one bearish candle, then a swing here. Now ideally the follow up or the current candle, even if it moves towards 21,550, chances of reversal will be very, very high, where the prices can move towards 21,200, 180 as the first target, and in fact 21,100, 080 as the next, and 21,000 as the third one. Possibility is there. Now see, I've been sharing this. Look at the formation: rise, retracement, then double top here, and now it is looking forward to hit the bottom of the channel. The bottom of the channel is towards 21,000, 20,800 levels here. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI has dropped. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy 21,400 20 levels here. Expect 21,450, 21,400. See 21,450, 21,480, and 21,500. The three key levels here. Beyond this, 21,540, 550. Ideally, the bullishness is only and only if it trades about 21,540, 550 levels, where we can say prices are reversing. And as long as it stays below 21,600, I will say Nasdaq 100 is still not bullish. Prices can reverse, prices can drop sharp. On the downside, now way to sell, I will recommend a selling entry at 21,360. Expect 21,300, 320 as the first target zone, and if it trades below 21,300, 320, expect a correction towards 21,240 and 200, and then in fact we can see a greater move towards 21,100 and 21,000 levels. Be mindful of this. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to Dow Jones. Now see, US 30 is also trading in this channel here, and now 44,400, 500 is the key zone it needs to break in order to confirm reversal and a rise. In fact, even if you see it is staying now above 44,260, 44,300 levels, you can initiate a buying entry. Rather, I will say buy at 44,300 only and expect it to move towards 44,360, 420, and then 500. Beyond 500, certainly we are looking forward to a greater rise. Else, it is still trading bearish here. Moving averages are trading with divergence, is staying bearish. The stochastic at bottom here trying to bounce back. MACD is also flat at bottom. It can also bounce back. RSI is also rising here. Coming to 2 hour. Now look at 2 hour charts. A series of bearish candle, and now it is formed a tail trying to bounce back. There is a possibility that prices can see an up move towards 44,300, 400 zone before reversing. Yes, it can try to hit the 20 period moving average before reversing. And as long as now it stays above 44,600, we should not be treating this as bullish. This is very clear. The stochastic rising, MACD also flat at bottom, RSI is at bottom. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Now on the 3 hour charts, another observation here is look at the preceding two candles comes with the bigger tails, and now even if you see it is staying above 44,260, 280, you can just stay bullish and expect a stronger rise here towards 44,350 and 400 zone. Yes, stochastic rising, MACD at bottom, RSI oversold. On the 4 hour charts, this could be a reversal confirmation. 3 to 4 bearish candle, and now if it stays above 44,260, stay bullish. This could take the prices towards 44,400, 500 levels. Yes, indicators are cooled down. Indicators have cooled down significantly here. Coming to the day. Now on the daily chart, see, important point here is the US 30 rise retracement. Preceding candle is indeed a swing candle, and now today what has happened, it has hit a double bottom and trying to recover. So possibility is there that we may see a swing towards 44,400, 500 levels, and only bullishness is if you see it is staying above 44,500, where we can expect 44,600 and higher levels. Else, hitting the highs, it can again reverse and drop sharp. Stochastic oversold. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish. It can continue to do so, and RSI has dropped. So looking at now, I'll recommend you to buy here at 44,260 levels. Expect it to move towards 44,320, 360, and 400. And if it stays above 420, and if it stays above 44,420, stay bullish for 44,500. Any move beyond 44,500 is a sign of reversal, where we are looking forward to 44,600 and 700 levels. Chances for such a stronger rise appears less, but yes, a little swing on the upside cannot be denied. And yes, hitting the highs at 44,400, 500, prices might reverse. So that should be the caution zone for you for the day. On the downside, take a selling entry at 44,170. Expect it to move towards 44,100 and 44,000 levels. Any drop below 44,000 is a clear sign that we are looking forward to 43,800 and 43,600 levels very, very, very soon. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.